Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn how to create recurring events in Asana. This is a handy feature that can save you a lot of time. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to create a new task in Asana. Just click on the plus button at the top of the Asana homepage and select Task. Now give your task a title and assign it to yourself or a team member. This is the base of your recurring event. Assigning tasks is crucial because it ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and nothing falls through the cracks. Now that we've done that, find the due date field on the task detail pane. Here, you can assign a due date for your task. The reason we do this is to keep track of deadlines and to ensure the task gets done in a timely manner. Next up, click on the due date field and you will see an option for Set to Repeat. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. This feature helps us automate repetitive tasks so you don't have to manually create the same task over and over again. In this drop-down menu, you have several options for how often you want the task to recur. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, or even customize the recurrence to your preference. For instance, if you have a weekly team meeting, you can set the task to repeat every week. This helps us because it ensures that the task will automatically appear on your Asana task list at the specified interval, keeping you organized and on top of your work. Once you've selected the frequency, click on Done to save your changes. Let me explain why this matters. By doing this, you set up the task to auto-generate at the defined frequency. You no longer have to remember to create the task each time it's due. And there you have it. You've just created a recurring task in Asana. This easy-to-follow process can significantly streamline your workflow. Just remember, the Set to Repeat feature is your friend for any tasks that need to happen on a regular basis. And that wraps up our tutorial on creating recurring events in Asana. Stay organized, stay efficient, and see you in our next video.